How to perform a coolant flush on most vehicles. Alright, you're gonna start by squeezing the clamp together, then removing it back so you can take the hose off the radiator. Once you do that, I'm gonna try to turn the hose, and if not, then I need to get my pliers. It won't turn, and we're just gonna squeeze it a little bit and try to rock it. If it don't turn like this, then okay, so well, there it is, it's moving. I put a can under the bottom of the car to catch whatever fluid run over, and when I take this off, I am going to install. This is giving me a little bit of problem. No problem though, no problem without problem. Okay, then we're going to put a clamp on here, and then we're going to install this in, and I am going to put this part on here. Just let me see, put this part on here, and then we have the clamp. Then I'm going to get my tool with an 8mm. Oh, there it is. And I'm going to tighten the clamp, and then I am going to put this one over here, and then put the clamp on this side, and then I am going to connect the hose. And let me see if I can figure this out. We have the next hose down on this side, and the thermostat is right there, so the thermostat open out. So I'm going to put the part to push through the engine, and next part on the radiator side, and then I'm going to connect up the machine, red and positive, black and negative, and I'm going to put this in service and then turn it on, and we should see the coolant start pushing. If it don't start pushing, then I know that I need to switch these around. So let me see what we got. Is it pushing as yet? Now there we go, it's pushing. You can see the coolant going, and now you can see the coolant coming out. Once the coolant getting as clear as this, you notice the difference. Before it was what's that, pink? Well, now it start turning yellow. Then you know that we're on the right track of having clean coolant in most of the system. Once I finish that, connect back the hose to the radiator, put the clamp back onto the hose, and then I'm going to open the radiator cap and make sure that the vehicle run, get warm air, and there's no air pocket. I normally like to run some water to get rid of the coolant, so whatever go on the exhaust, you wash it off so it don't burn and the customer get a smell, or it don't damage the customer driveway. And now I can put the clamp back on, and then I'm going to try to put the clamp back just the same position where it was. I take it off, and now that is done. So the coolant flush is done. You have to check the coolant level, and as you see, I need to add coolant and then let the vehicle run, make sure that I'm getting hot air, and then I can close the cap back up, and then this job is finished. Thank you guys for watching. I'll see you on the next video. Remember, sub to the channel, please.